How to register for Walmart reward cards. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign up or register for the Walmart reward card. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser, click on the search bar and simply search for Walmart reward card, login. And then here you can see this URL, earn today with the Walmart reward credit card. So go ahead and click on this link and open it up. Now here you'll find an option to log in if you already have the card or to apply for a new one. Now since you don't have the card, you just have to click on apply now and register for it. Here you're going to have to fill out some details for your card. Just wait for a bit. And here, as you can see, there are some details that you need to understand. Here are some of the terms and conditions and disclosure statement. So just go ahead and accept, then continue. Once you've read through all of this, here you'll have to provide your email address. Once you provide your email address, tap on continue. Now you can use your digital ID verification, or you could just apply by entering personal details manually. So you can select any one of these options. Upload a picture of your ID here, and you can agree to the terms and conditions for consent to process biometric data and sensitive data. Just go ahead and accept it. Now just enter any of these, it could be a passport, your driver's license, or photo or ID card that's government issued. So enter that, and then you're going to have to create an account for your card. And after completing the verification, you should be able to register for a new reward card for Walmart. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.